Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming 3 essentials: your Apple ID signed in, enough iCloud storage, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once those are ready, plug the iPhone into power to avoid interruptions and update iOS if prompted. Now go to Settings, tap your name, choose iCloud, then Photos, turn on iCloud Photos. This action starts the upload for new pictures and makes existing iCloud content available on this device, so you're initiating sync right away. Once iCloud Photos is enabled, choose how to store images. Select Download Originals to keep full files on your iPhone, or optimize iPhone storage to save space while thumbnails remain locally. Make sure Upload to My Photo Stream is set if you use older devices, and check Settings Photos Cellular Data to allow uploads over mobile data if needed. Monitor progress in the Photos app. The status appears at the bottom of Photos or under Albums, and let large libraries finish while plugged in and on Wi-Fi. To complete, confirm that images and albums appear on your iPhone and other devices. Open Photos and scroll to force a refresh. When you need full resolution files, tap a photo and choose Download to ensure originals are stored locally. If something goes wrong, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, restart the device, and check iCloud storage and network settings. This resolves most sync problems. As one key tip, check Settings Photos Cellular Data and allow unlimited updates if uploads stall on metered networks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.